Everyone thinks the best-selling ATV tire chains are automatically the best option. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Today, we're diving into 3 tire chains that can truly make a difference on icy or muddy terrains. Product number 1, reusable snow tire chains. Let's kick things off with the reusable snow tire chains. What caught my attention here is the price at just $20.20. If you're looking for an emergency solution without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These tire chains are designed for quick use, making them perfect for unexpected snow or mud situations. They easily fit most cars, SUVs, and trucks. The 10-piece set means you can have backups if needed. Here's why this matters for you. These chains can literally save you from getting stuck in a snowbank or mud pit, offering much-needed traction when you need it most. Now, some users have pointed out that they can be a bit tricky to install at first. Here's the thing though, you really just need to get the hang of it. Once you do, they work like a charm. If you're in a pinch and need something affordable, this could be a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're a casual driver who only needs chains once in a while. Skip this if you're looking for something more heavy-duty for frequent off-roading. For the price, it's a handy emergency tool. Now, if the installation challenge bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Nakazawa Snow Chains. Next up are the Nakazawa Snow Chains, priced at $53.51. I was really impressed with how easy these are to install and remove. If you want hassle-free chains without needing to move your vehicle, these are a great pick. The material is high-quality alloy steel, ensuring that you get excellent grip on snow, mud, and icy roads. This matters because poor traction can lead to accidents, and nobody wants that. Plus, they're universal fit, meaning they can adapt to most vehicles, which is a huge bonus for versatility. Over 100 people have bought these recently, so clearly there's a demand. However, some customers mentioned that the chains may not hold up as well in extreme conditions. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. These are still a solid choice for most regular winter driving scenarios, especially if you're not pushing your vehicle to the limit. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable solution for winter driving without the fuss. Skip this one if you're frequently off-roading in extreme conditions. Overall, they offer great value for their price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for durability. Product number 3, Emergency Anti-Skid Tire Chains. Finally, we have the Emergency Anti-Skid Tire Chains retailing at $50.52. Honestly, what caught my attention is the adjustable lock feature. This is key if you're looking for something that can really grip in tough conditions. These chains are built to handle varying tire widths, which is great if you have multiple vehicles. This adaptability means you won't have to buy separate chains for each car or ATV, saving you money in the long run. The last thing you want is to find out your chains don't fit when you really need them. This is especially important for those unexpected mudslides or snowstorms. Now, some users have expressed concerns about installation difficulty. But I'll be real with you, once you get used to them, they're actually quite straightforward. If you're going into harsher climates often, the effort is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you do a lot of off-roading or live in a snowy area. Skip this if you only occasionally face winter weather. For the price, the durability and adaptability make them a fantastic investment. So to wrap it up, the reusable snow tire chains are great for budget-conscious users who need something quick and easy. The Nakazawa chains shine for their easy installation and universal fit, making them ideal for casual winter drivers. Lastly, the emergency anti-skid tire chains offer durability and versatility for those who really push their vehicles in tough conditions. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.